Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. So, you guys need to have friends who understand the struggle of using up a paper collection. I had made two projects with this graduation paper from Echo Park, and I had scraps, and I was ready to give it up. And I said, what would you guys do? Just, throw it out, donate it? What would you do with the scraps? I mean, I thought I would give it to a school thinking they would love to use some graduation stickers and whatnot. And someone, I think it was Carolina from Carolina's Craft, said, you could make a 4x4 album with all the paper. It's like, I don't know. But you know what? I did. It's actually 4¼ by 4. And it's a teeny little mini album, but it's cute. So, lots of layering on the front. It's done in black. Then I have the gold paper, white paper, gold metallic, black paper from the collection, and then a sticker. So lots of layers on here. In the front, I've got a 4x4 cut apart layered on some gray paper. I also, when I purchased this paper from Echo Park, got the solids, and it's just the way to go. A small sticker on here. There's a little flap to keep this closed. I just took a sticker that said grad on there and made a little cut apart to go in here. This is a top loading pocket, and I had enough to make a tag. I had this gorgeous ribbon. Not sure where that came from. I'm trying to remember. But that goes in here. I'll put that in later. But that does go in there. So anyhow, that was page 1. The back of page 1 has just this 2x2 cut apart, layered up, a little sticker here. But there's room to add a small photo and a real small photo here, or use that for journaling if you wish. This just is a top loading pocket. I used a star punch to just add a little pizzazz. I used my Scrap Cabin seam binding, another thing Carolina turned me on to, and then some gold and white baker's twine that was in my stash. On the back of that page, I've got a small cut apart, so you can put a little photo. I mean, if you have Instax, or if you know how to collage, there are apps that, just look it up. Look at Photo Collage, and you could put like 3 pictures onto one 4x6 photo and send it out to get printed if you don't have a printer at home. And then you can get small photos to add to these little pages. Room for a photo there. And here is another journaling card with some more ribbon. Room to put a picture there. This page has a little photo book, little folder. I put a sticker that says congratulations and a sticker of the diploma there. That is a top loading pocket. I just decided to make it different and use some corner punches. And then here, room for a photo. This lifts up like this. There's room here to journal. That was one of the cut aparts, and I just thought, you know what, it would make a great pocket. And then room in this pocket for a photo mat, and you can just add extra photos in there. So that is what I made. Actually, I made 2 with the leftovers from the graduation paper. I still had one more thing that I made with it. So in a future video, just check out in the in my playlist, you can see what I made with the graduation paper. So many projects with it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.